stressing out more.
I don't think. You got a whole bunch. We just had a whole bunch of kids next to us screaming, SRT! 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 What's up, guys? We're back at it again. It's your boy. What's up with Eli? And we're going to do a drive around town. This one might be a little more just exhaust focused. So, if you like what you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and enjoy the video. And I should say, fair warning, this is all CGI, of course, as well. Sun is great. So, right after we had stopped our last video, we were on the way home, and there was this lifted truck from liftedtrucks.com, and the dude had just bought it, had dealer tags and all that stuff, and he thought he was the shit, so we had to blow him out real fast. From a dig, we got up to like 100, in all CGI, GTA 5, we got up to 100 plus, and then he pulled back, and I was like, okay, cool. Then he starts to fly by doing like 70, so he wants to obviously do like a 70 roll. I let him pass me. I started at like 50, smashed past him. It's like no problem, easy peasy. Then I put 2 thumbs down out the window, and that hurt his soul. It was really funny.
Mind you, it was a mile back.
That's true. He was far back, so we know we saw it. Sorry if you hear that noise in the back. I have a muffler back there. I have not removed it. It'll be back there for the whole time I have the car, probably.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving!
Oh, there's a Durango GT. Damn, she's just gonna let the whole gang hit? That's crazy. She let the Durango in and another car. That's wild. So where we're at right now is downtown Anchorage. There's not much. I mean, there's some buildings, a couple of pot shops. There's a mall. We'll drive past the mall. I know you're hearing the pops and stops in the back there. Ooh, that shit sounds good. This is where I got my exhaust done here at Muffler City. Thinking about getting my, I got my mid exhaust taken out and put an H pipe in, but I'm thinking about getting my rear exhaust taken out as well. I might even call them tomorrow and see how much that would cost. Uh-oh, we got some police action up here. Oh, the camera went crazy. Sorry about that, guys. Damn, it was a crash. Trucks.com. Possibly. Damn.
How did that happen?
I wonder if they know they can't park there. That is also weird. Yeah, why are they both going the wrong way on a one-way? Well, it's only if people are in front of me in the wet lane. Thank you. Oh, it's hilarious.
I might have overcorrected.
find somewhere to be, boy. Same with that truck. They both got places to be, people to see.
They know each other.
I don't know. Probably not. Are cutting it up and to go nowhere, like, oh dang. They were here, there, and nowhere all at once. My windshield wiper fluid is frozen because they put water in it for some reason. So now I have to thaw it, and that's another reason why we're out driving around. The dude has one of those like digital displays as his like rear mirror. That's pretty cool. I wonder if he can see us vividly.
High definition.
High definition.
Caught in 4K.
Might as well give him something to get caught about. Out the SRT, but I don't know if I want to do it to him.
It's the same one who's trying to beat the Kia.
Yeah, I know. He couldn't even beat a Kia. Whoa! The bumps are crazy over here, dude. Fuck!
What did he get in this lane for?
Because it's a girl. Oh, it's a dude. He looks stressed.
Stress him out more.
I don't think. He got a whole bunch. We just had a whole bunch of kids next to us screaming, SRT! 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 Oh, gosh. I love my people, bro. I swear to God.
Now he wants to race. He's like,
It's not fast. It's all right, bro. That's a high country Silverado right there. Nothing crazy, just a little slight pull, you know what I'm saying?
It's doing better than the liftetrucks.com.
Did better than the liftetrucks.com, I'll be honest with that. Oh man, that was good. That was fun. That was great. You can't go wrong with that. I'm glad I'm recording this time, at least. I just hope you guys can hear the kids say the SRT, SRT, SRT. That shit was awesome. I ain't gonna lie, that got a little scary for a second. That bitch started spinning. Oh. Which way would you go, left or right? Spanard. That was awesome. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty freaking cool. The kids had it though. That shit was hilarious. I'm like, what is that noise? All I see is they damn near jumped out the car. Oh man, I'm sorry if this blocks y'all. I can't see nothing. Okay. But that was really fun. That was great. Okay, bet. I think this is the video I'll edit and I'll put the other one on like a save. And guys, right now we're just riding around having fun. Like I said, we were out filming and I stopped because my windshield got really bad. And then we actually got into a race with a liftetrucks.com truck. And we dusted that dude, and then me and my girlfriend were like, we should just go back out, you know, on this CGI set where these are cameras, and our editing team puts all of this together.
This is actually how they filmed Fast and Furious.
Exactly. Same way they filmed Fast and Furious, the same way we're doing it in here today. But so we're like, we should get back out there and go find some people. And as y'all see, you know, it's not hard, especially once people see what you're in. SRT! SRT! Yeah, that's great. That's awesome. I am going to stop in this holiday, guys. How long is this video? 20 minutes?
Yeah.
How long do we want it? That's the real question.
I think we're at a good pausing point.
A good pausing point?
Spark it back up.
Okay, bet. Let's do that. Guys, if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to try to upload once a week. That's the goal right now, but a short every day you'll see from me. Stay tuned for more SRT content, more car content, and more things coming soon. I appreciate every single one of y'all. I'll talk to y'all on the next one.